old fool, that turkey done took this boy to school. I was packing up and heading back to the truck, but I had one more trick up my sleeve, the one my granddaddy taught me. I knew I was gonna need me a little luck. Pulled out my slate call, made a fighting purr. All I seen was beard and spurs. He flew the fence and I filled him with number 5. He's hung up down in the holler. I strung up that old ball scoffer when he broke that strut and came in on a string. Well, he came to fight for his girlfriend. Now he's upside down on a hickory limb. Hung up down in the holler.
Those are big ones. Fucking drones. I thought they were gonna take off. Dude, I know. Well, we got one down, guys. They came in out of nowhere. We heard one gobbling over here for about an hour, and he was slowly getting closer, and then he shut up, and I was expecting one to come from over there, and all of a sudden Kyle hits me and 2 gobblers come running in, big long beards, and they stood right here. I don't know if we got it on video, but they stood, both of them gobbled right here on the decoy. And then my phone dropped out of my lap and hit the ground, and
thought that was over.
And they walked around a little bit, stuck their head up, and I didn't want to wait to see if they were going to attack the decoy. I just cracked them, and I think I got the bigger of the 2.
He has a long beard.
10-inch beard on him at least.
Some little spurs.
Yeah. He's about 1 inch spurs, but he got a good old beard. Opening day. I strike again. I killed a good one last year on opening day. And I didn't think it was going to happen today, but they just came in out of nowhere. And I was lucky. I got Kyle's lucky gun and put a 3.5 in him, and he went straight down, that's for sure. Definitely been a good hunt. We got in here last night and saw a couple of turkeys, heard a bunch of gobbles. Heard a bunch of gobbles this morning, but we didn't see a hen, we didn't see anything until we thought we were gonna have a gobbler come from behind us, and all of a sudden these 2 big boys come in out of nowhere. Seems like they always do that. They come from right there on that side, full strut. It's Jake Mobile, man. This thing gets them every time.
I started out with a 410 and moved to a 20 gauge. Every squirrel and rabbit in Dallas County knew my name. I sat on the stand with Paw Paw from the time I was 3 years old. When I was 8, I used a muzzle loader to kill my first doe. These days I go down to Walmart and they settle them in the back. Some people wanna take them away. Why don't you go busting boys that's selling crap?